What protects victims from re-traumatization in restorative justice? Imagine sitting in a room where your story is heard and respected. Restorative justice aims to do just that, but it also takes steps to protect victims from feeling worse afterward. So, what keeps victims safe from re-traumatization during these processes? First, participation is always voluntary. Victims decide if they want to be involved and get clear information about what to expect. This way, they are not forced into uncomfortable situations. Next, the process puts the victim's needs and feelings front and center. They get to share their experiences, ask questions, and influence what happens next. This focus helps them regain a sense of control and dignity, which can be lost after harm occurs. Skilled facilitators play a big role too. They guide conversations carefully, making sure everyone stays respectful and emotions stay managed. These trained guides create a safe space where victims feel supported and heard. Support services like counseling or advocacy are also offered before, during, and after the process. These services help victims handle emotional stress and prepare for interactions with offenders. Confidentiality is another key factor. What victims say during restorative justice sessions is protected from being used in court or shared publicly. This reduces fears of exposure or retaliation. Restorative justice also offers different ways to participate. If direct contact with the offender feels too upsetting, victims can choose indirect methods like community circles or mediated conversations. The goal is to focus on repairing harm rather than punishing. This approach reduces adversarial feelings that might trigger trauma. Overall, these protections work together to make sure victims feel safe, respected, and supported throughout the process. They help prevent further emotional harm and promote healing. Restorative justice values the dignity and autonomy of victims, making sure their voices are heard without risking additional pain.